What's better than 3? 4. Hey, what's going on, business owners? It's Riley from Vista Social. I'm your agency associate. Before we get into today's video, let's make sure that you are liked and subscribed to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We have great videos coming out every single week to help you grow your business and your client's social media. All right, first off, let's talk about ChatGPT-4 and how it differs between different versions. ChatGPT is OpenAI's most advanced text-based AI. This serves as a game changer for social media professionals, marketers just like yourself, elevate your brand's communication. The difference is that you'll immediately see in this new version of ChatGPT is it's safer responses. This is a key for brands to maintain that clean, respective online presence. Second difference is it's more factual. A 40% increase in factual responses positions ChatGPT-4 to be more reliable when it comes to brand communications, where we're talking about frequently asked questions for customer service purposes and more. So the third difference, it's a creative collaboration. ChatGPT-4 can generate, edit, collaborate on more creative and technical writing tasks. So how can ChatGPT-4 help your business? Let's break it down in 4 ways that you can efficiently use it on social media. The first way is through AI idea generation. Every social media post starts with a great idea. And social media, as we all know, never sleeps. And we also like to think that we're superhuman, but we're not, or at least not yet. Generating endless streams of fresh, engaging content can be challenging and can lead to burnout. And not having the right systems in place can really speed that burnout process. Using Vista Social's AI is a great first step in your creative journey. The AI idea generation tool within Vista Social provides you a reliable stream of content. Not only that it does that, it also provides an opportunity to collaborate with your team, sharing ideas, sharing the content, whether if it's a video, photo, carousel, but it helps you elevate your social media posts. If you want to learn more about the AI idea generation tool, there's a link down below to learn more. The second way you can elevate your social media by using Vista Social's AI tool is Caption Generation. Absolutely game changer, in my opinion. With the right caption on social media can turn a follower into a paid customer. Plus, the social media algorithm also acts like a search engine on social media. So the more that you have the right caption with the right keywords, with the right hashtag, the more that your post shows up. So with Vista Social's AI assistant being upgraded to ChatGPT-4, you can not only generate captions that will intrigue and engage your audience, you can also save them for future campaigns. And here's an example of saving a caption. It's that easy. So say goodbye to the one-time use content and say hello to an unlimited content library. All right, now the third way you can elevate your social media with AI is AI community management. As we all know, that takes a lot of time, but it is very, very crucial. So remember the days when people call or send you an email to send complaints? Remember that? Yeah. Nowadays, it's all in the DMs. The difference between an actual paying customer that has a few questions compared to promote it on bots. So you're trying to defer what is a real inquiry and what is a bot. It's not just staying on top of messages of liking it and saying, we'll be right back. It's all about building relationships online and how you can really start connecting with your client or with your customer. So Vista Social's social inbox really helps you focus in on what's really important, your audience. Now that you can quickly mark bot messages as spam, the AI assistant helps you provide relevant and thoughtful responses when you're doing community managing. The AI assistant can provide response generation to ensure that you are getting the best qualified, relevant responses for your customers. So the fourth way you can elevate your social media is by real-time content adaptation. You might have heard this once or twice in life, but timing is everything. So ChatGPT-4 can help you adapt and iterate your content in response to real-time events or trending topics. This AI assistant can help you craft the perfect, timely, most relevant content piece for your social media. 4 ways you can elevate your social media by using ChatGPT-4 for social media. So let us know in the comments below, what method are you going to be using for your business today and how can it help you grow your business? So before you get going, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more social media agency tips, and let's start a community. We'll see you on the next one.